Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Kia Rio trunk. First, locate the trunk release button, typically found on the driver's side dashboard or door panel. Once you find it, simply press the button firmly. You'll hear a click as the latch disengages. Then, gently lift the trunk lid upwards to access your cargo space. It's a straightforward process for everyday use. For convenient remote access, your Kia Rio key fob offers a trunk release feature. Simply press and hold the button with the trunk icon for about 2 seconds. You'll hear the latch release, indicating it's ready to open. This method is especially handy when your hands are full, allowing you to approach the vehicle and lift the trunk lid with ease. It's a quick and efficient way to get into your trunk. Sometimes, you might need to open the trunk manually, perhaps from the inside. If you're in the trunk, look for the emergency release handle, often a small, glow-in-the-dark lever. Pull this handle firmly to unlatch the trunk. If accessing from the rear seats, fold them down to reach this lever. This is a crucial safety feature and a reliable backup method when other options aren't available. If your Kia Rio trunk isn't opening, don't worry, there are a few things to check. First, make sure your car is fully unlocked. Sometimes, a simple lock issue prevents the trunk from opening. Also, inspect the latch area for any items that might be blocking it. Finally, if using the key fob, consider replacing its battery if it seems unresponsive. These steps often resolve common trunk opening problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.